How to convert pictures into URL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can convert a picture or an image into a URL. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Now let's jump right in. So first steps first, locate the image. So let's say that I want to change this image into a URL. For that, I can share the URL as well after I change it. So to do that, first I'll need to open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And then head over to my Google Drive. So head over to Google Drive. You can go to drive.google.com. And after you're there, you can go to your home of your drive. After you're on the home section of your drive, you can then create a folder. Tap on the plus icon on the top left here and tap on new folder. If you want, it's not necessary to create a folder. You can directly upload the image as well. So after you've created a folder right here, you can double tap on it to open it up. If you want, it's not necessary to open up a folder. You can directly upload an image like we will be doing now. So head over to your file location where you have the image. Then all you have to do is drag and drop it. After you drag and drop it into a folder or directly into your drive, after it's been completely uploaded, you can then tap on the three dots and then you'll tap on the share option and you'll find copy link option. If you tap on copy link, you can then head over to any other tab and paste the link. So this link will directly lead to the photo that we just uploaded. And there you can see it will now load up the image, and that's how easy it is. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.